Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's review. In our channel, we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets that will level up your entertainment experience. In this video, let us see a portable digital luggage weight scale.
Find a place to hide.
It is by a company called GoTrippin and it says never pay overweight luggage fees again. Its website is destino.in. So this is the front of the box. On side there is nothing. On here it says like auto shut off after 60 seconds. Dimension is like 148 into 47 into 30 mm. Capacity overload indicator, low battery indicator, and weight is like 94 grams to 3.3 pounds. Here it has nothing, and to the other side it has just the logo of the company, and back of it says it has the logo here again. The scale is only for personal use. It cannot be used for commercial transaction and protection purpose. And it also says some text like highly precise sensor like up to 0.21 lb to 0.1 kg, made of heavy duty stainless steel for durability, compact light design, easy to read LCD, locks automatically when weight is stable. It can weight up to 110 pounds to 50 kg, and it is approved by CE and ROHS approved. Definitely this is a made in China product and it has been imported by a company in Karnataka to sell. So let us open the seal and proceed by unboxing. So here on the seal it says battery inside. So let us open the seal and see. Once you open the seal and open the box, as usual there are some paperwork. So here firstly you have this: within 30 days of purchase, register your product, you will get 3 years warranty against manufacturing defects. So at the back of the card it says GoTrippin is now Destino. So we'll keep that aside and we will see the user manual. So these are some user manual. They have a button battery here. This is a pouch for the weight scale, and this is the weight scale itself. This is the weight scale. Now let me insert the battery here. So here it is like push. Then we'll remove this battery. The positive side is on top and the negative side is on down. So here also it is mentioned like plus, and here it is like minus. So we'll have to keep the battery here, give a gentle push so it will go fix it. And let me close this. So now let us switch on this scale. Once we switch on, it is like this. So this is how the latch is for putting the weights or lifting the weights. You will have to put it like this. Assume this as your bag, then once your bag is ready, just put it and you can lock it here. Put inside this and lock it here. And as you lift up the weight shows in this. We'll show you a quick demo of it. How does this work? So let me take a walkthrough of this weighing scale. So once we power it on, it shows like 00 grams, ounce, kg and pound. So I'll put it to kg. So default we will use kgs only, right? So that is why I'll be putting this as a kg. In the quick demo, we'll show you how does it works. So as I told you earlier in the video, let us do an experiment and see how accurate is this weight scale. So for this experiment, I have a 2.5 kg dumbbell weight here. So I have two of this. This is one and this is one. Let us put the dumbbells in the weight scale and see how much it is before adding it. So now I am keeping a weight scale here where we use this in the videos to find the weight of the products. On this weight scale, I will be placing one 2.5 kgs weight onto the weight scale to check the accurate weight. As you can see here, it is 2 kg 607 grams approximately per weight. So I have one more weight also. As I said, you will be putting two weights to show. So both will approximately come to 5 kgs. I have one more weight also of same 2.5 kgs. Both approximately will come up to 5 kgs of weight. So I have taken a bag and I'll be placing these 5 kg weights here. And there is nothing in the bag except the 5 kg weights. So now let us connect this bag to the weight scale and see how much it weighs. So let me connect the weight scale and show to you. So this is how you will have to connect the weight scale, and it is on. Okay. So friends, this is about the product. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of this product. So if you're looking for this product, I'll give the link in the description below. You can buy it, or if anyone wants a review of this product, you can share this video of the product before they buy. Tell them to buy it from the link below. So we come to an end of this video. Hope you like this video. You know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends and family. See you in the next interesting content. Bye.